Welcome to eSpectrum online learning channel. This is our session number 1 on Introduction to Python Programming. Today's presentation will be what is a computer program, fundamentals of programming language, what is necessity of programming, what are the different programming languages, what is Python, difference between program and script languages, and so on. A question may be there in your mind. What is a computer program? So, a program or a computer program is set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a particular task. Or we can also say programs are developed using some programming languages. Computer programming is art of developing computer programs. So this is the basics of computer program. So how we write a program basically? Programming is rather used like a recipe. We describe some ingredients, that is the data, and in particular sequence we process it, that is called as processing of the data. So if I want to perform a particular task, I will write it step by step what will be the activities that I am supposed to perform, and accordingly I will perform those activities. Next, what is basically a programming language? We should understand what is a programming language. A programming language is a vocabulary or a set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer to perform a specific tasks. So, programming language provides a set of rules to develop a program. You all have used assembly language programming. You have used a microcontroller 8051. So, what is 8051 program includes? It includes some specific set of instructions. So, a programming language is basically giving us what is a syntax, how the instruction is written, and all related set of rules to write the program. Okay. Some applications where programs can be used. A program is developed to help the activities of humans easier. The first application that we will see is banks. In banks, we know large number of people are interacting and the information of the customers is very crucial. So in banking, qualitative as well as quantitative analysis is playing a major role. Now another section of banks is stock market. So in stock market, analysis, predictions, these all are advanced algorithm based programs which can be possible to be implemented with the help of Python. Second application that we will see is a communication. So everywhere nowadays we are finding the communication in which people are interacting with each other through different medias. So using mobiles, using telephones, everywhere there is applications of programs. Then third application that we will see is medical sciences. Nowadays medical field has grown a large with the help of different processing tools like hospital management, database of the hospital management, patient care are the areas in which Python has increased its application. It has also developed different algorithms for diagnosing the diseases. Disease pre-diagnosis prediction is also one major area where Python is developing its applications. In education sector, we are now suffering from COVID-19 situation where you need to learn all the applications online. The courses activities are being performed online. So to develop such activities also, Python is playing a major role. Then we have business wherein we need to decide what should be the decisions taken. It will be decided depending on both qualitative as well as quantitative analysis of the data that we have gathered. The next application that we have is daily life applications. Here, the consumers are doing the online shoppings with the help of Amazon, Quicker. So, net related these online shopping applications are possible to develop as a program with the help of Python. The last application that we will discuss is travel and ticket booking, which is we are using nowadays frequently for flight booking, for reservation, railway reservations, for bus bookings, private vehicle bookings, etc. So all these are again examples of program. Now we have one more application nowadays using in case of traveling, that is FASTag. So this is also at the time of toll, you are not paying any cash now. You are just keeping the tag in front of your four-wheeler or two-wheeler, and the amount is getting deducted. This is also a best example of a program that can be implemented as real-time application. Yes, I should go for developing the program. So this is giving the answer why I should learn programming. Three good reasons for learning the programming are: programming helps you to understand computers. Although we have developed the computers, but we should understand the functionality of computer also. So it helps us in understanding the computers. Writing a few simple programs increases our confidence level. We are using different apps in our mobiles, but have you tried ever to write a app, to develop a app? So with small sections of apps, smaller programs, we can build our confidence level. Learning programming lets you find out quickly whether you like programming and whether you have analytical turn of mind programmers need. So it helps also in developing our logic also. Next that we will be discussing is different types of programming languages. Friends, we know we live in a country India. There are different states like Maharashtra, Karnataka. Everyone is using their own language, mother tongue languages. Likewise, programming can be done in different languages. So what are the different types of programming languages? A programming language is a vocabulary or a set of grammatical rules for instructing a program to perform specific tasks. Already we have seen this definition. Now, the three types of programming languages are machine level programming languages, assembly level programming language, and high level programming. Assembly level and machine level is one and the same. This is called as low level programming language. And high level programming languages, the best examples that you have used like C, MATLAB, Python you may be learning, all are higher level programming languages. Now, we are supposed to get introduced with Python, but a question should be there in our mind, why I should learn Python programming. Now, the graph in front of you is showing nowadays, it is showing a survey of 2004 to 2020. 29% of the programming languages is being changed to Python. It indicates the requirement of learning the Python has increased. Market is using Python a lot. There are also different job opportunities also available in this section. So around 50% jobs we can say are now tending towards the Python. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my channel. For further notifications, click on the bell icon. If you like my video, share with your friends. Thank you.